mastering the art of proper dumbbell bicep curl form. Welcome back to Zero Fat TV, think different. Today, we're delving deep into the world of bicep training with a focus on proper dumbbell bicep curl form. Avoid common mistakes. Whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting your fitness journey, nailing the fundamentals of this exercise is crucial for achieving those impressive bicep gains. In this video, we'll guide you through each step, highlight common errors to avoid, and provide essential tips to ensure your bicep curls are on point.
Understanding the basics. The anatomy of a dumbbell bicep curl. Before we dive into form correction, let's understand the basics. Properly executed bicep curls target the biceps brachii muscle group. The key is to maintain strict control throughout the movement, emphasizing both the concentric, lifting, and eccentric, lowering, phases. It's essential to start with the right way to avoid unnecessary strain and focus on controlled, intentional movements. This will lay the foundation for preventing common mistakes down the road. Perfecting your form. Mastering flawless dumbbell bicep curls. Achieving proper form demands meticulous attention. In this section, we'll guide you on refining your dumbbell bicep curl technique. We'll delve into critical elements like posture, grip, and elbow placement, all aimed at optimizing muscle engagement while safeguarding your joints. With the mastery of these techniques, you'll not only sculpt more impressive biceps but also lower the likelihood of sustaining injuries. The road to bigger and safer biceps. In summary, mastering the art of proper dumbbell bicep curl form, avoid common mistakes is essential for anyone looking to enhance their bicep development safely and effectively. Remember, it's not just about lifting weights but doing so with precision and intention. Correcting common mistakes and perfecting your form will set you on the path to impressive bicep gains while keeping you injury-free. So, thanks for staying till the end. Tell a friend, see you on the next one.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Zero Fat TV. Creativity is simple. Intelligence is having fun. Benny B.